Today we are discussion topic is multi-stage amplifier. In the topics is contains introductions. Second one is important terms. Third one is circuit diagram, working, frequency responses, and fourth one advantage and disadvantages and applications. We are discussion in this topic four important subtopic. First one is introduction. Second one is important terms. The third one is circuit diagram and working and frequency response. And fourth one is advantage, disadvantage and applications. There are the important terms. Introductions about to be amplifier. What is the amplifiers? Amplifier a electronic device which amplify the signal voltage and current. Signals and voltage and current. We given a small input current, you receive more output current. This is the amplification process. There are types of amplification in there. That is first one is vacuum tube amplifier. Second one is transistor amplifier. Then multi-stage amplifier. Third one is operation amplifier. And fourth one is video amplifier. And the fifth one is fully differential amplifier. Showing this diagrams and slide, wherein operation amplifier will be there. When operation amplifier, there are the 8 pins. First pin is grounded, and second, third, fourth pin is input signals it given to it, and fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth pins are given to output signals. Receiving the output signal. There are the 741 operation amplifier. Where is second one is a video amplifier in this circuit diagrams. Here are the 5 types of amplifier in there. First one is vacuum tube amplifier. Second one is transistor amplifier. That is multi-stage amplifier. That is third one is operational amplifier. And fourth one is video amplifier. Fifth one is a fully differential amplifier. There is next topic is the multi-stage amplifier. A transistor circuit is which number of amplifier stages are cascaded one after another is series. Multi-stage amplifier means a transistor circuit is in which number of amplifier stages are one after another is series. Coupling device is the device which connected the output of the one stage to the input of the next stage. The device which connected the output of the one stage to input of the next stage. depending on the manner in which the different amplifier stages are connected one after the following amplifier may be resulted. There is the first one is RC coupled amplifier, second one is RL coupled amplifier, third one is LC coupled amplifier, fourth one is transformer coupled amplifier, fifth one is direct coupled amplifier. Direct coupled amplifier. And next is the basic and signals diagrams, that is first stage and second stage, and there are the one or more stages when called the multi-stage, where diagram shown in the figure. Multi-stage amplifier is, then is a first stage output will connected to second stage input, and second stage output will connected to third stage inputs. There are coupling or one or more transistor amplifiers, and then is called multi-stage amplifier. There are called multi-stage amplifier in the show in the diagram, where in between first stage and second stage the coupling device will be there. The coupling device is connected to first stage amplifier output. First stage output then will connected to second stage output. In between first stage and second stage the coupling devices will be there. Introduction of content. There is the multi-stage amplifier configuration. There are the cascade and RC coupling. Here is the first transistor will be there. Transistor, there are the three pins terminals, that is emitter, base, collector. Emitter, base, collector. Their emitter will be always grounded. Such configuration is called common emitter configuration, and base will be grounded in the transistor. This configuration is called common base transistor, and collector is grounded. Such configuration is called common collector configuration. Common collector configuration. In the showing the diagrams, RC coupling amplifier, multi-stage and cascade amplifiers, transformer amplifier will be there, and Darling-Gott and direct coupling amplifier. Direct coupling amplifier will be four types of amplifier in there in slide. First one is RC coupled, second one is transforming coupled, third one is direct coupling, and fourth one is cascading coupling. Next one is function of the coupling device. Function of the coupling device to transfer only AC output of the first stage to the input of the next stage. Input of the next stage. To transfer only AC output of the first stage to the input of the next stage. To back to DC component. DC component. Here is a multi-stage amplifier, cascaded configurations. Output of the one stage is connected to input of the another stage. Input of the another stage. Just showing the diagram. Then operation amplifier. First one operation amplifier. Second one is second stage operation amplifier 2, where first stage operation amplifier gain AV1 and second stage operation amplifier gain AV2, where input connected in the first operation amplifier, then given output will be more than input, such is amplification. And first stage output is connected to another operation amplifier is connected. Such systems is called multi-stage. Such stages is called multi-stages amplifiers. Overall gain of the multi-stage operation amplifier EV is equal AV2 by EV1, that is AV1 into AV2. Next one, student, important terms related to multi-stage amplifier. Important terms related to multi-stage amplifier. First one is gain. The gain is a ratio of the output to input of the amplifier. Input amplifier. Operation gain, ratio of output to input of an amplifier is called gain. They represented the gain GRA. The gain represented as GRA. When they show in the diagram in our slide, when the first stage amplifier, the first stage amplifier output is given to second stage input, and second stage output to gain in connected to third stage. There are one stages is called multi-stages amplifier, where gain, first stage gain is G1 and second stage gain is G2, third stage gain is G3. If input signal is Vin, then the output of first stage G1 Vin and the output of second stage G2 Vin, the output of third stage G3 Vin, the output stage of next stage is G1, G2, G3 dash Gn into Vn. Then overall gain of multi-stage amplifier is G is equal V out by V in, where V out is equal all the stages of the gain, that is G1 into G2 into dash Gn into Vn divided by Vn. G is equal product of the individual stage. This is the perfect result of the gain. Gain G is equal product of the individual stages gain. There is a frequencies responses graph is will be there. Frequencies as taken in x-axis, and voltage gain taken will be y-axis. Then frequencies as taken x-axis and voltage gain taken on the y-axis. Then given the amplifications signals will be three stages. First one is the staging, third one is saturation, third one is decreasing. First stage is increases, second stage is saturation, third stage is increases. Here is a bandwidth collected with the formulas is low frequencies and high frequencies. In between low frequencies, high frequencies, bandwidth is called as a bandwidth. So bandwidth is equal high frequency minus low frequencies. Low frequencies. Voltage gain is equal out by V in. V out by V in. In these diagrams, bandwidth, the range of frequency over which given the amplifier is equal to the greater than to 0.707 or 70.7%. The maximum gain 70.7% of the maximum gain. In the showing the graph is, the graph will be taken as the x-axis is frequencies, second y-axis is the voltage gains or amplifications. There will be given of the bandwidth 0.07 maximum gain, that is the 70.7% of the gain. Mid-band frequencies, they are called mid-band frequency. This is the structure of the circuit diagram of the multi-stage operation amplifier. When using transistor NPN transistors, then a first stage will given to output is the second stage. Where Cin is the capacitance, input capacitance, and R1 R2 is the base resistance, RE is emitting resistance, and C is the emitter capacitance. They connected will be series. When RC is the collector resistance and collector backing capacitors. The backing capacitors will give output. The output will be connected to next stage input. Next second stage R1 RE is one is the base resistance, and RECC is the seriously connected into emitting, that is emitting resistance and collector emitting collector, where RC base collector resistance, CC is a collector capacitance. The collector capacitance and emitting is given to the output, total output of the multi-stages amplification. These are the overall structure of the diagram of transistors using multi-stages amplifier. R, where R and R means resistance, C means capacitance. R and C coupling will be the amplifications, that is RC coupled multi-stages amplifier. Circuit diagram is will be there. Where is transistor, which mode is configurations? Transistor will be common emitter configurations. Common emitting is the configurations will be there. constructions will be there. R1, R2, R3 and R4 form of the biasing and stabilization networks. Input capacitance Cin coupling the AC voltage to the input. The capacitor C known as the emitter bypass capacitors used to offer the low impedance signal. The coupling capacitor CD coupled the output of the first stage to the input of the second stage. Since the coupling capacitor passes only the AC signal and block the DC, that by coupling capacitors called as blocking capacitor. Coupling capacitor has a blocking capacitors. Their working process is the capacitance is multi-stage amplification. Working process is overall gain is less than product of the gain of the individual stage. Overall gain is less than the product of gain of individual stage, because the second stage is made of follow the first stage. Second stage made of follow the first stage. The effective load resistance of the first stage is reduced because of the shunting effect of input resistance of the second stage. This is reduced our overall gain of output. This is reduced of overall gain of output. Frequencies responses. Curve plotted between frequencies and voltage gain. Frequencies and voltage gain. Case 1. When the frequencies is less than 50 Hz, gains falls. A part of AC output of first stage is lost. Coupling capacitor CD, which often very high resistance at the very low frequencies, because Xc is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi Fc. At very low frequencies, C common emitter bypass operation, high resistance and could not shunt the emitter resistance RA. Case 2. When the frequencies are greater than 50 kilohertz, gain falls and the beta transistor parameter, their overall gain is increased. Sense currents. At very high frequencies, the resistance become the very small and it is behave have shunt current. The loading effect of the first stage. Xc is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi Fc. Case 3. Mid frequencies range 50 Hz to in between of the 50 Hz to 50 kilohertz. The gain will be given is constant. In this frequencies range, frequencies increase, resistance of Cc decrease with the increase of the voltage gain. Decrease in the resistance producing high loading effect of the first stage, which decrease the gain. This means both of their factor maintain content gain at the mid frequencies range. Mid frequency range. Advantages: it has low cost since it is employs resistance capacitance which are chips. It has excellent frequencies responses the gain overall audio frequencies range, which is the given of most important speech and music, etc. The circuit very compact, has the modern resistance and capacitance are small and extremely light. Disadvantages: they have tendency to become noisy with ages, particularly in mostly climate. The RC coupled amplifier has low voltage and power gain. Impedance matching in poor. Third one is impedance matching in poor. Because the output impedance of the RC coupled amplifier is several hundred ohms, whenever input impedance is only few ohms, hence little power will be transferred to the speaker. Applications: first applications is the RC coupled amplifier has excellent audio overall wide range of frequencies, therefore they are widely used of voltage amplifier. This is the operation amplifier of the transistor topic.